Okay. Chocolate milkshake right there. All right, should we get some dinner going?
Yeah!
I like it. All right, guys, we're gonna have the most amazing tinfoil dinners ever. They've got a little olive oil and seasoned potatoes, carrots, onions, green onions, a little cilantro, basil, and Italian sausage with just a little bit of garlic. Oh, yeah. You can put anything you want in tinfoil dinners. Just make sure the stuff that cooks the longest goes on the bottom. And then make sure you remember which side is up. And we kick butt, which always... Hell. Ooh, that smells good. Guys, I think this is perfect. Who wants a tinfoil dinner here? The ingredients were kind of raw in there. Yeah, the key is that Italian sausage, man. It's so seasoned so well. Oh. You want one?
Yeah. Head over here.
Oh, our water froze solid. So we're sticking it here by the fire trying to thaw it out. Hey guys, did you like the tinfoil dinners?
Yeah!
It's called Calpis, or in English they call it Calpico.
Cody, then give it to me.
We'll make that the...
That's really good.
Bottoms up.
Hard.
Try some Calpis.
Whoa.
On compass.
It's almost like it's got citrus in it.
Nathan, you want hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, Nathan, you're melting your boot again. Pull your boot in. That warm you up, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Well, we had a lovely dinner, a lovely sit by a warm fire. But Jake and his boys are going to head home and take care of that broke down snow machine. And me, Tom, and Nate are going to sit here and camp all night. Tomorrow, we've got some fun planned. I think we're going to try to go and see if we can't do a little hunting and maybe do a catch and cook. We'll see what happens. All right, see you guys. You got a long way to tow that snowmobile. Here, come on, I got your beds all made up, guys. Why don't you go and take off your jackets?